Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a draft in Gmail on your mobile device, step by step. This is perfect for those times when you start writing an email but aren't ready to send it just yet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your email as a draft in just a few simple taps. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile. This is where everything begins. Once you have the app open, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a round button with a plus sign and the word Compose beside it. Tap on that button to start writing your new email. Next, you'll be taken to the Compose screen. Here, start by typing your recipient's email address in the To field. Then, add a subject in the subject line, and begin writing the body of your message in the larger text area. You can write as much or as little as you need, and remember, you can always come back later to finish it. Now, here's the important part: saving it as a draft. Instead of hitting send, simply tap the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. The arrow will take you back to your inbox view, and Gmail will automatically save your unfinished email as a draft. There's no separate save button. It's all done for you in the background. If you later want to continue working on your email, just go to the menu and select Drafts. There, you'll find everything you've saved but haven't sent yet. Tap the one you want to edit, make any changes, and when you're ready, you can hit send. That's it. Simple, fast, and efficient. Whether you're jotting down a quick message to finish later or organizing multiple emails in advance, using drafts in Gmail can really make your email experience smoother. Now you know exactly how to do it, anytime right from your mobile device.